So there are some new imported updates available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video, we will check out those updates. So starting off with the first one, so if you know about the auto blocker, so it has got a new update. Simply go into the Galaxy store and search for auto blocker. From here, you will get to see that there's a new update available for the auto blocker application. So if we talk about that what's new, so from the One UI 6.1.1, the auto blocker provides some extra strong protection through the maximum restrictions. So with this update, the maximum restrictions additionally blocks the 2G networks and the automatic reconnection to a non-secure Wi-Fi network. To update it, simply tap on update and the update will begin. It is a 6 MB of update size, and once the update is downloaded, it will automatically install. Now to check out this feature, simply go into the settings, then tap on security and privacy from here. Now scroll down and tap on auto blocker. So as you can see, this auto blocker is turned on and it will help you keep your device safe from the security threats, suspicious activity and privacy risk. Furthermore, it will also block malware images in the messaging apps, and many other features are available. In the end, you will get to see this maximum restrictions options. It provides extra strong protection for the people who need it. So the maximum restrictions already have most of these features, and now we have this new feature available with the One UI 7 update. And that is that it will block 2G networks, as the 2G networks are older and less secure than the modern networks. So if you're someone who need this feature, so you can simply turn on this maximum restrictions option from here. To turn it on, simply tap on this toggle button over here. And that's it for the auto blocker. There's another update also available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. For that, simply go into the software update, then tap on download and install. From here, you will get to see that a new security patch of the May 1st, 2025 will be available to download. So you can simply download and install that security patch update from here. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the new updates available to check out. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.